Hey, it's MK and I am here with an off the board video for today, and I am using this color palette right here along with Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches and a sketch created by Liz Jardell Fry. And I do have to say that I'm changing it up a little bit just because of the background paper that I chose to use for this sketch. But it was a huge inspiration because of the outdoorsy, florally feel that I got from her sketch. And so that's where I pulled all of these elements from, was based off of the sketch. Now I do also end up flipping the sketch to where the photos are over on the left. And then again, the inspiration for the flowers and whatnot. So this layout is the signs of the petroglyph. I just wanted to share with you guys the signs, and then I don't think I've ever talked about what petroglyphs really are. So here I'm just sharing with you guys the trail that we walked around, the one that I've been talking about for a couple layouts now. I also have the adventure word and a few other pieces that were from the Hike More collection. I am so sorry, the frog decided to show up today. So I've got a couple pieces from the Hike More collection by 49 and Market. I also have this cute little title set from Scrapbook Addicts. I will link her Etsy shop down below. But she has this adorable little wood set here that is it just says hike, and then she colored it and put a gloss on top to make it look like it's domed. Oh, I really like it. It's almost like you're looking through a telescope out at the scenery. So I've got this adorable little flare by Scrap and Happy Studio, and this one is one of her little mini flares. I love these. It's so cute. Wood veneer piece, I believe, was also from the Hike More chipboard set, and then more shiny glossy stickers. You guys, I don't know where I got all of these. They just appeared. I must have got like a grab bag of some sort. I don't really remember exactly, but it must have just been, like I said, a grab bag, and had a variety of the butterfly stickers and or collage stickers and these stickers and all that stuff. So from Simple Stories, I've got the Take Note paper, and I was just reading it because I just can't get down the name of this, but I think it's called Simple Vintage Essentials. Pretty simple. Now this one here is a My Mind's Eye Life Stories paper, and I'm loving the side piece of this, and I'm thinking about making that not really my journaling, but my decoration down the side, even though it's not part of the sketch. But I do want to pull from the sketch, basically using the photo cluster and the beautiful flowers and greenery that that Liz has put around her photos and whatnot. So I will be working on that. And also too, the last couple layouts, I have forgotten to put tissue paper, which is just sitting right in front of me. I forgot to put the tissue paper down. So I do have to say that I remembered on this one, and I will actually pull out the tissue paper and try to incorporate that by unifying my photos all as one cluster. So I really wanted to tell you guys what a petroglyph is, in case you guys have not looked it up yet for yourselves. Petroglyphs are rock carvings that are made by pecking directly on the rock surface using a stone chisel and a hammer stone. And then what's really cool is when the desert varnish or the patina on the surface of the rock was chipped off, the lighter rock underneath was exposed, creating a petroglyph. But then it gets deeper as time goes by when the rain starts hitting it, and then the rain will actually carve it out even more and make it look like it was no longer handmade. Does that make sense? So it's really, really cool to read all about the petroglyphs and where they came from and whatnot. It actually says here who made them, and it says that there's several petroglyphs around the world to be found, and but it doesn't really know, who started them, who made them, who started them, because some of them have been dated back to 500 AD. So they don't know if it was the Native Americans, because they're not just there, but they're everywhere. There's yeah, if I keep reading it, but there's a lot of words I can't pronounce, to be honest. Um, and it's tribes. It's the tribal names that I honestly can't pronounce. And instead of butchering them, I do, I do recommend that you go and check them out. So, but it is awesome, of where all these petroglyphs came from. But I think it's awesome that they carved in stone, and then nature took its course and just made it gorgeous. It really is cool. All right, so I went and decided on a piece of tissue paper. I'm so sorry. And I went with this one because, again, it had that nature background look. I wanted to get rid of the lace bits and pieces, and I ended up with this really cool background. And I love crumpling up my tissue paper. I don't like leaving it just plain Jane, or I like wetting the edges and ripping them like that to have that frayed edge. So one of the two are my favorite looks. After that, it just seems to be like I really wanted to, just really, I like crumpling paper, to be honest. So anyways, with the same thing with these stickers, it had one of those borders on it, and I felt like the border just took away from the actual image. So I do end up trimming down every single one of these little flowers that I use, not every single flower, but just the ones that I use, because of the fact that I just felt like the border takes away from the actual image. And so I sped it up quite a bit, and I took out all of that fussy cutting, because what I did was I fussy cut, put it down, fussy cut, put it down, fussy cut, put it down. And I laid it out as I went. And so I just didn't think you wanted me to edit all of that out and then bring it back in every time I put it down somewhere. It just was really weird. So here I'm going to just go ahead and put my decorations around. And I think that this is just the coolest little saying that, oh golly. Sorry, I went to go get the layout, because I think by the time that I'm done, what it says down below, the right side, is awesome. Like, it didn't even mean it to make it sound like it's a sentence, but it says, hopefully wandering if time allows today, tomorrow hike more, someday near future explore around whenever. And I mean, it really made a sentence to me. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'm just reaching for it. But I really do like how it turned out, even though it wasn't really planned. I knew I just wanted to draw attention to where it says someday, near future, tomorrow, today, if time allows. Just get out there and enjoy nature, really is what I got from that piece of paper. It was so much fun. And then, like I said, I really wanted my greenery to come out from behind the photos, just like in Liz's sketch. So I tried to keep that going on, and the tissue paper really helped me bring all those leaves and things out. I love the little hike down below, but I also love all the greenery and how it all came together with the adventure word and the green butterfly and all that good stuff. So anyways, nice, short, sweet layout for you guys today, because I love it when a background paper does all the work for me. I really do. Makes for a super fast, quick layout. And it also gives me that feeling of accomplishment when I don't have to spend an hour or so on a layout. I really do like these types of layouts, even though they don't make very good videos because they are super fast. I apologize. All right, so I want to thank Liz for such an amazing sketch. I had a blast pulling inspiration from your sketch, and it also led me to the color scheme that I used for Off the Board today. So Off the Board is where we take those pins that we have been pinning for years and years and years on Pinterest, and finally getting them to come to life here on YouTube. The YouTube guys are what's supposed to spring you, and then of course you guys take it from there and get inspiration to go want to use your pins, right? Hey, I've got a couple links down below. I've got the links to all the gals that have their videos up for Off the Board today. I also have a link for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 days of sketches, a few links for those, playlist, Facebook group, all that good stuff. And thank you again for hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I will check you guys all later. Bye.